Knowing exactly how and where your pumps are performing is essential to your company's daily operation and bottom line. Using cloud technology, the Cornell Copilot monitors critical pump data 24/7 to help you plan maintenance, check operation status, track a pump's location to guard against loss or misuse, and maximize runtime. The cellular-powered module connects with your phone, tablet, or your desktop to deliver real-time data and alerts to increase efficiency and decrease costly downtime. The Copilot portal is easy to navigate and gives you better control over equipment costs. The weatherproof module detects potentially damaging temperature changes or vibration, and the ability to connect to external sensors to monitor pressure, flow, and more improves the performance and lifespan of your pump.